James. We're at Contacts and Cocktails, which is my monthly facilitated networking event. I facilitate it, so it's a little bit different. So people can just come, you can just relax over a couple of cocktails. And I actually make all the introductions for everybody. So if you're maybe a bit nervous and you don't really like sort of going up to strangers, it doesn't matter. I will find out exactly all about you, all about your business, and who you really want to meet as well this month, who's going to make a difference to your business. So, and then I put everybody together and the contacts are shared. It's such a really good atmosphere and it works.